A very warm greetings to all my dear students. In this video, we are going to solve a problem which was asked in your Anna University examination April-May 2023. We'll see what is given in your question. Find a duration sequence x of n of length h has the DFT of x of k as shown in figure below. So this is the given figure for your reference. A new sequence y of n of length 16 is defined by y of n is equal to x of n by 2 for n is equal to even and 0 for n is equal to odd. You have to sketch the DFT of y of k as a function of k. So this is the SISVA question. We'll see the solution for it. Since the output sequence length is given as 16, I am considering the value of n from 0 to 15. Okay. Here one more condition is that for n is equal to even, we have to substitute x of n by 2, and for n is equal to odd, we have to substitute 0 in the y of n sequence. Okay. So here I am considering the even values for n and I am finding out the y of n sequence. So I am going to substitute the even values of n. Y of 0 is equal to x of 0 by 2, which gives you x of 0. Y of 2 is equal to x of 2 by 2, which gives you x of 1. And y of 4 is equal to x of 2. Y of 6 is equal to x of 3. Y of 8 is equal to x of 8 by 2. So x of 4. Y of 10 is equal to x of 5. Y of 12 is equal to x of 6. And y of 14 is equal to x of 7. So we have to write the corresponding values of x of n sequence. For that we have to consider the given figure. Here x of 0 value is given as 3, x of 1 value is given as 3, x of 2 is 3, x of 3 is 2, x of 4 is 0, x of 5 is again 2 and x of 6 is 3, x of 7 is also 3. This is for even values of n. And what about the odd values? I am going to substitute 0. Okay. So here we can write the final output sequence. Y of n is equal to y of 0 to y of 15. And what is the value of y of 0? 3. Y of 1 is odd value, so I am substituting 0. Y of 2 is 3, y of 3 is 0, y of 4 is 3, y of 5 is 0, y of 6 is 2, y of 7 is 0, y of 8 is 0, y of 9 is 0, y of 10 is 2, y of 11 is 0, y of 12 is 3 and y of 13 is 0, y of 14 is 3, y of 15 is 0. So we are going to sketch this one. So here I have taken the values from 0 to 15 for the y of n sequence. So here for y of 0 we will be having 3, y of 1 it is 0, y of 2 it is 3, y of 3 is 0, y of 4 is 3, y of 5 is 0, y of 6 is 2, y of 7 is 0, y of 8, y of 9 is also 0. So y of 10 is 2, y of 11 is 0, y of 12 is 3, y of 13 is 0, y of 14 is 3 and y of 15 is 0. So that's it. This is the simple method to solve this problem. I hope you have gotten clear idea about how to solve this problem. Yes. Thank you. See you in the next video.